evening everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Emily Rahmatullah from Parsa. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our beloved nation. Independence Day is our national festival of India. On this day in 1947 India became independent from British rule. Since then every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for the independence, such as Qasim Nanavi, Maulana Sheikhul Hind, Ashfaqullah Khan, Begum Azad Mahal, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mangal Pandey, Mahatma Gandhi and many others fought to make India free from British rule. On this occasion we all remember their sacrifices and thank them. Our sense that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone and educating ourselves. At last I again wish you all a very happy Independence Day and hope together we can build a wonderful nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.